Hello! In this video, we will show you how to clean your NESCAFÉ Dolce Gusto Piccolo excess. We suggest you perform this cleaning routine at least once a month. Make sure your Piccolo excess is unplugged. Rinse the water tank with drinking water. Then refill it with drinking water and reinsert it. Remove the drip tray. Clean the tray with hot water and a damp sponge cloth. Lift the locking handle. Remove the capsule holder. Rinse it with drinking water or pop it in the dishwasher. Be careful of the water injector. Clean the inside of the head with a damp sponge cloth. Plug in Piccolo excess. While Piccolo excess warms up, the power button blinks red. When the machine is ready, the power button turns green. Take the rinsing tool. It helps drive the water flow during the rinsing process. If you don't have it, don't worry. You can still rinse Piccolo excess. Use a container to collect the water. Move the lever to the hot position. Piccolo excess will start rinsing. Count 60 seconds. Then, move the lever back to the stop position to stop the flow. Don't lift the locking handle at this moment. Remove the container. Remove the rinsing tool and keep it for future use. Be careful of the water injector. Dry the inside of the head with a soft cloth. Reinsert the capsule holder. Use a soft cloth to clean the machine and not a wet sponge. Thank you for watching. Now you can enjoy making great coffees with your Piccolo excess.